Filipino cuisine is a vibrant blend of flavors, shaped by history, culture, and community. It's known for its balance of sweet, sour, and savory tastes, often all in one dish. Meals are meant to be shared, bringing families and friends together around the table. Filipino food is more than just a meal, it's a reflection of warmth, hospitality, and the joy of sharing. Every bite tells a story of tradition, family, and love. Famous Filipino dishes. Adobo. A national favorite made with chicken or pork simmered in soy sauce, vinegar, garlic, and bay leaves. Kari-kari. A rich peanut stew often served with oxtail, vegetables, and bagoong, shrimp paste. Sinigang. A comforting sour soup made with tamarind, vegetables, and meat or seafood. Lechon. Whole roasted pig with crispy skin, often the centerpiece of celebrations. Pancit. Stir-fried noodles symbolizing long life, served during birthdays and gatherings.
Halo-halo.
A colorful dessert of shaved ice, sweet beans, fruits, jellies, and leche flan topped with ice cream. In the Philippines, food is more than nourishment, it's a language of love and connection. Every meal is an invitation to gather, to share stories, and to celebrate life's simple joys. Filipino food, family, and community are inseparable, each one enriching the other.